This is Maureen with His Girls Designs. Let me show you this easy project. As you notice, I was just showing you the materials that I will be using. I'm going to begin by taking off the 2 white plies this neck hem has, leaving only the printed part. Next, I'm applying some Mod Podge on this chick form that I purchased from the Dollar Tree. Once my surface is sticky, I am going to very gently and carefully cover my chick with my printed napkin. Since the neck hem is very delicate, I'm going to place a piece of wax paper over it as I roll out any bubbles that it may have. I will also use my heat gun to dry the glue off. Using my scissors, I will be cutting off any excess napkin. For my next step, I will have a spray bottle near me, since I will be using matches to burn off the excess napkin around the chick form. As you can see, this is a fast and easy process, but be very careful as this may be flammable. If you're not comfortable with this method, you could always take sanding paper or a nail filer to file away or sand away any excess napkin around the form. I will proceed by sealing my surface. I will be using the same Mod Podge that I used to glue on my napkin as a sealer. It's always best to seal the surfaces when applying or using such thin paper such as the napkin ply that we used. I am only applying 1 coat. However, if you would like to make this in places outdoors, I would recommend you apply 2 to 3 coats of this sealer, allowing it to dry in between. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I will suggest you press the subscribe button and also press on the little bell next to it that will appear next to it so that you will not miss any of the upcoming videos that I will be posting. How about we give this chick a little more cuteness? I am going to begin by putting a yellow ribbon around his neck as a collar. I think a bow will look so cutie patootie, so I've chosen this grayish ribbon that I purchased at the Dollar Tree to create this very simple bow. I'm also going to use some yarn also purchased at the Dollar Tree to create a second bow that I'm going to glue on top of that existing bow. I just love this color combination of this black and white and yellow and grayish tones. It's just so darling. Isn't he cute? And for even more cuteness, I am going to be adding some green picks. Now these are the frosted picks that the Dollar Tree sells during the springtime. Isn't he cute? But now I'm going to be focusing on the edges. I am going to be taking some rough and buff wax and I am going to be just rubbing it on with my finger around the edges of my little chick. This is going to bring a little bit of antiqueness, distressing around the edges, as you could see. And I've chosen to display my chick on a wreath. Isn't that so cute? Let me know if you like it by giving it a thumbs up. Check out my Facebook page where I host live crafting tutorials 4 times a week. You may find me under His Girls Designs Official. You could also follow me on Instagram where you could see a lot of the behind the scenes on the stories. Now, don't miss any of what's going on around here. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for liking, for sharing. If you have a comment, I do appreciate your comments. I do read every single one of them. Now, here are some other video suggestions that you would also find on my page. Thank you so much for all your support. All right, everybody. Adios.